Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The Australian dollar firm footing remains stable as the grand challenge is now upon us as the market looks towards the 74.55.65 resistance. Currently the high overnight was at 63 and above there is the 60-day moving average, which is seen at 74.76. It is viewed that the market will still struggle towards this region, and it hasn't since the last few attempts not been able to uphold any renewed gains and most probably be a bull trap. A bull trap is when the market is not fully supported from the technicals as the rise continues. Market gets caught long and then reverses sharply and then falls quite heavily, which you can see here. One bull trap, another bull trap with an outside range day with no follow on, and then a further weakness and another bull trap from this 74.55.65 area. Towards the downside, I am looking at a level of 73.95 as intraday and lower towards 73.20.35. The dollar index a little bit weaker overnight and now slips to a low of 93.89 with the key level still at 93.40. Currently, the dollar index is trading quite close to the 94 handle. Now, for some of us that may not know, the dollar index is weighted against 6 major currencies, with the euro weighted at 57.6. Also in the night, the market will be closely watching the US for direction after Donald Trump reportedly obtained concession from the EU to avoid a trade war. Trump praised the European Commission President Jean-Claude Juncker as a smart man. A slightly different tone, though, from recently calling the European a foe and collaborated against the US trade. So, who knows? Nevertheless, the market is at present attempting to take on the challenge towards the top side with the resistance still seen at 117.40.60, and I do view as a sell. Overall, I do expect to see the market turn back towards the downside to the lower region of 116.20 and maybe eventually to this target that I'm continue repeating at 114.85. Well, the dollar yen over the last few days have completely ended in bear candles. And as you can see from the recent rejection from 110.75, now we did get a low at 64 overnight. But nevertheless, I'm not overly bearish at these levels. The RSI is extremely low. And from the support level of 110.75, should see a rebound. Therefore, I do expect to see the market take the challenge back to a 111.55 to 111.85. And looking at the pound, it's now finding itself challenging the level of 132. I was looking to shorten the market from here, still hold that view, and I do expect to see the market turn around. It is interesting to see since the rebound from 129.5 is that the bull candles are getting less and less and less in terms of size. Therefore, the market isn't as bullish as I anticipate. And we could easily see these rejection candles from being a bearish outside range day, another one being posted. Therefore, that would look back towards the region that I'm calling at 130.85 to 130.10.15 and eventually lower. The gold still finding pretty much firm footing as the market still looks towards a target of 40. Reassess from there as it could extend to 46. Dips still a way to buy, and I'm looking now from a base of around 1,222 and solid at 1,210. And wrapping up with oil, well, the market is contesting this level of $69 a barrel. Overall, though, I'm not overly bullish at these levels, and I feel the market could easily reject this level around 69 to 69.5 and look back to the downside, which comes in favored at $68.40 to $67.60, with a base at $66. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.